Hi there, it's Jennifer. Today I wanted to show you how to do a waterfall braid. I've tried to do waterfall braids myself, and I found it kind of difficult. I don't know if it's because I have layered hair or not. But I found this way, I guess it's kind of like a fake waterfall braid that looks really nice, and it is pretty easy to do. So you do need some duckbill clips to section off your hair, some bobby pins, and then I like to tease my hair a little bit, and a clear elastic. So we will get started. For her kind of half-up styles, I like to curl my hair with a curling iron instead of having my natural curl, but you can try on your natural curl straight hair. I think this will work for anybody. I just found myself having layers. This technique works a lot better for someone with layers, but I'm sure anybody can do this. So we're going to section off the hair just behind the ear, kind of from here all the way up. This whole section, and we'll just clip this forward. And same with the other side. Okay. There we go. So I just want to tease the top of my hair right here, just for that little bump. I like that volume. Pretty much just gonna do one little section. Okay, so then we're gonna take a couple of bobby pins. And just to get that volume, I'll place those bobby pins there. I'm just going to double check that that's where I want it to be. Okay, this is going to be our guideline for our braid. So we'll take this section out. If you want any hairs coming down, definitely can do that. Now we're going to section off. So what we're going to do is do the braid and pin it back. But we're going to leave some sections out to make it the waterfall braid. So get 3 even sections. We'll just start up a braid. So now with this part, you also want to make sure you're going to start in the right spot. That's not working, of course. So we're going to take a little bit out, maybe about half out of that. And we're going to add this part to the braid. Jennifer, come on. There we go. It does take some practice. I've been practicing this for a little bit. Jennifer. Okay, we'll start over. We're going to do 3 sections. We're going to start to do a braid. Okay, now what we're going to do is take half of this section and leave it out. Then we're going to add the rest of it to the braid. Just braid like, there we go. And then again, half of that section we're just going to leave out. Do a couple braids. Half of that section. Do a couple of braids. And then I'm going to stop there, and I'll just leave that section out. So basically this is what we have. We've dropped some of the sections. So what we're going to do now is take this, and we're going to bobby pin it where our guide is. Maybe I'll use a clip. It doesn't feel like it's going to stay. There we go. So clip that part, because we're going to be doing the other side now. Okay. Now let's make sure that this part works. So again, I'm just going to take out a little bit of this hair. We'll do 3 even sections. Start a braid. And we're going to take half of this section and leave it out. Continue to braid. And then take, you need to use your one hand a lot. Take that part out. Continue. Whoop, part of it's coming out already. There we go. There we go. Part of it came out, but I just kind of, there we go. So again, we're going to pull that back. So there is this little part. We'll just either bobby pin or you can tuck it back. So now we're going to grab an elastic. Take out with the elastic. And then I just like to do the little flip. Take out this. Oh, it's not working. There. Take out the bobby pin just in case. Goodness. Okay, so then you want to just make sure that the loose parts that we dropped are going in the right direction. So that one is, that curl's just not working. If you need to, you can use a little bobby pin, say this section. See, that section's kind of popping out too much. You could just use a bobby pin, kind of hide it as well. And for extra security with the braided part, I do like to put a few bobby pins in. There we go. So like I said, it definitely takes some practice. And yeah, a nice waterfall braid. So I hope you like this tutorial. I hope I explained it well. I know I had a little trouble myself. It's the holding on to that part and taking the sections out. That's the trick. So I hope you enjoy this. Please leave me any comments. Let me know anything. And thank you so much for watching.